Originally, it was celebrated, it was called Armistice Day. And that meant that it was the end of another terrible war. It was called the War to End All Wars. It was World War I. It was on this date 124 years ago. That's a long time. That's almost as old as you are. Okay, but there's been so many other wars in between, and we want to honor all the veterans, so now it's called Veterans Day instead of Armistice Day. We just held elections, where we go to select the people that we want to represent us. That's freedom. All countries don't have that. We don't pay homage, that's another word, respect, obedience to a king or a queen or to a dictator. We pick the people who will lead us, and that's freedom. And you are the future of America. You are the seeds in this country, and we're going to watch you grow, and you're going to be the leaders of tomorrow. And some of you are already leaders of today.
Mr. Fireside, before I begin, I would like to say thank you for your service. You were very brave. My question is, how did you communicate with your family in the war?
Well, it was mostly through letters, because we didn't have the opportunity. Cell phones were not even invented yet. Nobody knew that this thing was going to be around. We had to go and put money in a slot and dial a number. And sometimes we got through and sometimes we didn't. But it was mostly through letters. And thank you for your question.